You probably already know that what you eat affects your heart, but what if what you drink before bed could do even more? Most people think the key to protecting the heart and brain lies in morning habits, coffee substitutes, supplements, workouts. But new research is showing something surprising. Your body's repair system peaks at night. That means what you do in the final hour before sleep, especially what you drink, can determine how well your arteries stay open, how your brain clears waste, and how your body regenerates overnight. So, if you're over 50 or 60 and you want sharper focus, better circulation, and protection against age-related decline, you'll want to hear this. Because doctors are now recommending a simple bedtime drink, something you can prepare in under 3 minutes, that helps nourish your arteries, support your brain, and calm your nervous system naturally while you sleep. It's not a supplement, it's not a pill, and it's not one of those trendy detox teas. It's a gentle combination of natural ingredients that's been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and support memory and heart health overnight. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this drink is, why it works, how to make it, and how to use it as part of a simple nightly ritual that helps you wake up clearer, calmer, and younger feeling every morning. If you want more videos that make healthy aging simple and science-based, hit the like button right now, so YouTube shows this to others who need it. Now, let's begin. First, let's talk about why nighttime is so powerful for healing. When you fall asleep, your heart rate slows, your blood pressure drops, and your body enters a natural repair mode. Your arteries relax and dilate to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your organs. Your brain opens what's called the glymphatic system, a kind of waste flush that clears out toxins and protein buildup that contribute to memory decline. But for many adults over 50, this process doesn't work efficiently anymore. Chronic inflammation, stress, and poor circulation keep the body in a low-grade alert state, even during sleep. That means your arteries stay stiff, your brain doesn't clear as well, and you wake up groggy or foggy. Here's the thing, your body already knows how to heal. You just have to give it the right conditions and the right nourishment before bed. That's where this drink comes in. Doctors and nutrition researchers have identified a simple nighttime beverage that does 3 things simultaneously. It relaxes your blood vessels, it fuels your brain cells, and it reduces inflammation throughout your body. It's warm, soothing, and easy to prepare with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. They call it the Golden Circulation Tonic. Let's break it down. The first key ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. Studies from Johns Hopkins University show that curcumin improves endothelial function. That is the ability of your arteries to expand and contract smoothly. It also helps lower oxidative stress, which means fewer free radicals attacking your artery walls. But that's not all. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly reach your brain cells. Once there, it helps reduce the buildup of amyloid plaques, those sticky proteins linked to memory decline. When you take turmeric before bed, you're giving your body a quiet push to clean up inflammation while you rest. The second ingredient is black pepper. This might surprise you, but black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric by up to 2,000%. The compound piperine in pepper slows curcumin's breakdown in the liver, keeping it active in your bloodstream longer. Just a pinch is enough to unlock turmeric's full potential. The third ingredient is warm milk. And yes, dairy-free options like almond, oat, or coconut milk work beautifully too. The warmth helps dilate blood vessels, improving circulation before sleep. Milk also contains tryptophan, the amino acid your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, your sleep hormones. Think of it as signaling to your brain. It's time to rest, recover, and rebuild. The fourth ingredient is a touch of cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds flavor, but also stabilizes blood sugar through the night. Stable blood sugar means fewer midnight wake-ups, fewer crashes, and better hormone balance for your heart. And the fifth ingredient, one most people miss, is a teaspoon of raw honey. Raw honey provides gentle, steady energy to the brain overnight. Your brain never fully sleeps. It needs glucose for repair. Honey helps prevent the 3 a.m. cortisol spike that wakes many people up. When you combine all these ingredients, you get a soothing, golden-hued drink that not only calms you down, but activates your body's deepest repair systems. Here's how to make it. In a small pot, warm 1 cup of milk or your preferred plant milk over low heat. Do not boil, just warm enough to sip comfortably. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a small pinch of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir slowly for 1 minute, then remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey once it's warm, not hot. This preserves its natural enzymes. Pour it into your favorite mug, take a slow breath, and sit somewhere quiet. This is more than just a drink. It's a nightly ritual, a signal to your body that it's time to unwind, restore, and heal. Now let's understand how it helps your heart and brain specifically. Your arteries are lined with a thin layer called the endothelium. It's like the skin inside your blood vessels, responsible for controlling how much they expand and contract. When this lining gets inflamed, from sugar, stress, or age, it becomes rigid. That's when blood pressure rises, circulation drops, and organs like your heart and brain get less oxygen. Curcumin from turmeric directly heals that lining. It increases nitric oxide, the same molecule your body releases during exercise to relax arteries. That means better blood flow, lower pressure, and more oxygen delivered where you need it most. Meanwhile, the combination of milk, cinnamon, and honey helps stabilize blood sugar and hormone levels overnight. That's important because high nighttime insulin levels are one of the biggest hidden causes of morning fatigue and brain fog. When you sleep with stable blood sugar and open arteries, your brain enters deep restorative phases more easily. During that time, your glymphatic system flushes out metabolic waste, including beta amyloid, the same compound linked to Alzheimer's. That's why this drink isn't just for the heart. It's for your memory, your focus, your mood. You'll start noticing subtle changes after a week. Calmer sleep, clearer mornings, less stiffness in your hands or legs. Within a month, many people report improved energy and even warmer hands and feet, a sign of better circulation. But there's one more secret that makes this drink so effective. Timing. Doctors recommend drinking it about 45 minutes before bed. That gives your body enough time to digest it lightly before you lie down, while still allowing the calming compounds to peak as you fall asleep. Avoid pairing it with heavy snacks or late meals. The lighter your stomach, the better your body absorbs these nutrients. And if you want to boost the effect even further, pair your bedtime drink with 1 minute of slow breathing before you sip. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, exhale through your mouth for 6. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and repair mode, and tells your arteries to relax even more. It's a small step with a big reward. Now, let's address a few common mistakes people make when trying this habit. First, don't add too much turmeric. More is not better. Excess can upset your stomach. Half a teaspoon per serving is ideal. Second, don't skip the pepper. Without it, you lose most of the benefits. Third, don't drink it boiling hot. Warm is soothing. Hot can irritate your throat and destroy the honey's nutrients. And finally, consistency matters more than perfection. Doing this nightly for 30 days is far more powerful than doing it perfectly once a week. Let's talk about results. What you can expect to feel. In the first few nights, most people notice deeper relaxation before bed and fewer nighttime wake-ups. After a week, circulation improves. You'll feel warmer and calmer at night, with fewer tingling sensations in the legs. By the second week, your mornings feel smoother. You wake up without that heavy, foggy feeling. That's your brain clearing more efficiently. By the end of a month, blood pressure may begin to normalize, digestion improves, and your overall energy steadies. The secret isn't magic, it's biology. You're giving your body the raw materials it needs to heal during the time it was designed to do so. Sleep. Now let's connect this to real life. In Japan, it's common for elders to end their day with a warm barley tea or turmeric milk blend, known as golden tea. It's considered a nightly tonic for circulation and longevity. Studies from Okinawa, one of the world's longest living populations, show that nightly warm drinks rich in antioxidants help maintain flexible arteries and calm brain inflammation. In India, families have been drinking haldi doodh, turmeric milk, for centuries as a bedtime ritual. Grandparents passed the recipe to their children, not as a health hack, but as an act of care. Modern science is only now catching up to what these traditions knew intuitively. Warmth, calm, and nourishment before sleep repair the body better than any pill. So tonight, before you reach for your phone or television remote, try this instead. Go to your kitchen, warm your milk, add turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and honey. Breathe in the steam. Sit quietly for a moment as you sip. Feel the warmth spreading through your chest, your shoulders loosening, your breath slowing. That's circulation coming back online. That's your body remembering how to rest. Over time, this ritual becomes something more than just a drink. It becomes a reminder that even at 70 or 80, your body still knows how to heal when you treat it gently. So let's make a simple promise. For the next 7 nights, replace your late night snack or your second cup of tea with this bedtime drink. Do it consistently. Notice the difference. You'll sleep deeper, wake clearer, and move easier. Because health after 60 isn't about restriction. It's about rhythm, giving your body what it needs, when it needs it. And if you want this message to reach more people who could benefit, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's episode, where we'll share the morning stretch Japanese elders use to keep their joints strong and pain-free for life. Finally, share this video with someone who's been struggling with restless nights or low energy. You might just help them reclaim their mornings by changing one simple thing before bed. Because healing doesn't happen in the gym or at the doctor's office. It happens quietly every night when you close your eyes, if you give your body the tools it needs. Tonight, that tool could be something as simple as a warm golden drink. So try it. And tomorrow morning, when you wake up feeling just a little clearer, a little lighter, and a little more alive, you'll know it worked. You've got this.